Morning everybody, welcome back. Saturday in the shop today. Today I don't know how much work we're going to get done. We're going to load the bikes. We are leaving on Thursday early in the morning for Cycle Showcase, so I do not know if we will get any time in on the Shovelhead or not. I'd like to, but we'll just have to see how the day goes. So we'll get a little footage of loading the bikes, have obviously the first footage of them on the ground, Tom's bike and the Top Fuel bike, so that'll be kind of cool. And we're gonna get we got a bunch of bikes in the trailer that we got to unload. So anyway, won't be the most exciting or productive day, but be cool to get to see the bikes on the ground for the first time and get them put in the trailer and ready to head out of town. So we're gonna get after it. Yeah, I turned the gas on for a second. The carburetor was leaking. So this is a build we did for our 15-year anniversary. Hasn't been seen much on the channel. I think I did one little short video on it one time, but it's an 84, not an 84, an 80 FL8 Shovelhead chassis that we stuffed a 100 cubic inch Evo and an Evo 5-speed in it. So really pretty cool bike. Battery's dead, so that's annoying, but it's been in the trailer for a while, so I guess I shouldn't expect much. Gonna get this thing cleaned up and back on the road here.
It's going to be pretty nice all week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, here we go. First time on the floor, out into the humidity. Thing just condensed water on every last surface.
Instantly.
We got to get the points cover off the bike in the back.
Oh, which one?
The Carl's bike is in the back.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it was in the trailer.
Jump out at you.
No, that's
like, why did you put
and on this side, you know, when I had them on without the primary and everything,
yeah,
so maybe it was a lot
really
that.
stuck out then, yeah.
But
Should I clean it up a little bit?
oh yeah, that one you don't. Yeah. See, I needed it to put on.
Yeah, the other one. Polish it first, real quick.
This is gonna be like a 1,000-point turn.
Oh yeah.
Well, I can kick it back if you want.
You can pull it back over to good.
Nah, it's actually not gonna.
No,
Would somebody grab the jack stands? All right, guys. It's out. It's on the ground. It's awesome if I say so myself.
Exactly.
Now the funny part is, see if my big fat ass can sit on this thing.
Drop the back cylinder down a little bit.
I want to sit on it too.
What a rocket ship.
Yeah, that's gotta be fun to. Oh my gosh. I gotta take a picture.
I am too fat for this for sure.
I didn't see it. I know.
That's awesome. Oh, holy mackerel.
fit.
I fit.
Yeah. Where's the pegs?
Way back.
Oh, you see, I can't even reach the bed.
You kinda can, but
Put your feet on top of them. Loop them over the top. There you go.
Yeah.
That's scary. That would be fun.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah. I guess because of my height. That would be terrifying. God. You have a little more padding. That's like my rib right there.
Yeah, no, just had the air dam. I gotta get up. I'll get up here. And then I'll get off the door. It's like I got the bike.
Hold on. Look at that. We're going out?
Yeah.
This right here. Oh, it's not plastic?
No.
Okay.
Hang on.
Okay, ready?
Watch your foot, John.
That's my workout.
Hey, you could make a points cover and
All right, guys. But we're all loaded. Bikes look killer outside. Fortunately, we didn't get any real good sunlight. It's kind of cloudy, but still always fun to see them on the ground for the first time, get to sit on them, and really kind of get the feel for how they fit. So, super pumped. We'll be on the road Thursday morning, super early. We'll be coming to you guys live from the road here and there, and that's it. I got a little bit of time. I'm going to see about jumping outside and working on the shovel head a little bit, at least get some brackets tacked on, and maybe look at figuring out what we're going to do for the fender strut sissy bar situation on there. Got a couple of ideas kicking around. So, all right, guys, had a few minutes left in the day, so we jumped out here for the shovel head project. We're going to get the fender mount tacked up, the oil tank mounts tacked up, and then see if we can't come up with something for the fender struts. It's probably all we're going to have time for today, but it'll be fun one way or another to get a little bit of stuff done on this shovelhead build. So, like,
I'm gonna walk around.
yeah, like those spider web ones that guys sometimes do, you know, come up like this.
Yeah.
But I don't want to do a spider web, obviously.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking about what else could I cut in there, you know, that would be kind of a cool pattern.
I always thought about weird stuff like the HD logo or something like that.
Yeah, I just hate, you know, that's so,
Advertising.
it's just not me.
My porch support,
Yeah, so that's,
you're gonna have to redo that.
I found some stuff, we'll have to go back, I'll show you some stuff on the computer
Yeah.
that I was kind of thinking of in that,
Yeah.
like,
So
type
look
of,
at that thing, it's getting worse. Gnarly. What are you welding on?
the oil tank mount.
Oh, okay. Helmet?
Nah. How's the fender look?
Because it's pretty close right there.
Okay.
Push it over again.
Well, the back struts will really
Yeah.
dial it in, but it's as
Push it
long.
over so where you think it's straight, just so I can look at it again. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be perfect with the back stripes. Yeah.
Cool. You need me? Pardon me? I was talking to Nicole. You need me? What's up?
Oh, that sounds really good.
Yeah.
How many times have you said that to me over the years?
I don't know, probably quite a few.
Yeah. Would never cut me any slack and teach me how to weld better. I got pretty decent rat rod.
I don't really know how to teach people how to weld because I've never been taught how to weld, so I'm not really.
I got pretty decent. Some of my welds on the rat rod, that structural stuff was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the first time ever. Yeah, this is the first time ever I went for my DOT physical a couple weeks ago, and I didn't get 20/20 vision. Yeah. Oh yeah, it passed easily, but it wasn't 20/20, and it always is. And it was, seems like every time you go up and go at anything over the years, I just memorize the thing the way it is, line, 3 lines. So I just got there,
That bike's gonna be so good.
Yeah. Alright, seats mounted. Super comfy. Gonna go up front, get on the computer, and look at drawing up some fender struts. No, I understand that, but I'm just wondering if I even like the overall,
Seems too good. Too much meat.
Yeah, but I'm saying even that is, I don't know that I'm gonna, it'll have to like bend, go around the chain, and then probably bend back somehow. And I'm still planning on cutting the fender off, so actually, that wouldn't work anyway, even at the 3, because I want to cut like.
That's too much too fast.
Well, it's gonna be like here, straight up with the axles usually. That's how I like it. But I don't think I like it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Spent some time drawing up this fender strut, which is, I don't know, I'm not loving it. I'm gonna kick it around a little bit more and see if we can't come up with something that we like a little bit better. Very traditional looking bike, and so it may just end up being traditional fender struts. I don't know. We'll play with it in our mind a little bit. We're out of town. We're leaving on Thursday to go to St. Louis. Actually, we're going to West Virginia, pick up a bike, and then head to St. Louis. And, anyway, we'll try and do some lives, do some shorts and stuff like that, and then we'll be doing filming for full-length video on the event. So. Not a ton of progress on the Shovelhead today, but a couple things welded on, seat mounted, and progress is progress. So appreciate you guys being here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep up to date on everything we're doing. And we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.